We already have read about the first derivative process to find local maximum or minimum. Today in this video we are going to discuss about how to find or how to check local maximum or minimum using second derivative. Yes, this second derivative criteria is easier and short than first derivative criteria, and you shall use first derivative criteria when the function consists of product of many factors. There that will help, but in most of the cases you are going to use the second derivative criteria. Now let us try to understand how to use second derivative criteria for finding local maximum or minimum. Let y equal to fx is a function defined on some interval I, or it has some domain, and remember it should be twice differentiable. उसका दो बार डेरिवेटिव कर सकेंगे वो होना चाहिए. In order to check local maximum or minimum, what shall we do? In first step, we will find all critical points. That is, all points for which f dash x equal to 0. f dash x को 0 करेंगे, x का वैल्यू निकालेंगे. They are the critical points, and also we shall check where the function is not differentiable. वो भी critical point में आते हैं. Okay, how to get critical points? F dash x, you make it 0 and get x, or check where f is not differentiable. Let the critical points are ABC. सोच लो critical points A आया, B आया, C आया. Okay, and in order to check for local maximum or minimum, you shall find the second derivative f double dash x or d2y by dx. After finding second derivative, what shall you do? In the second derivative, put x equal to a, means find f double dash a. If it is less than 0, then what shall you observe, or what shall you take the conclusion? You will take the conclusion that x equal to a is a point of local maximum. Okay? If in the question it will be given find local maximum value of function, you will find putting x equal to a, f a is the local maximum value. And if f double dash a become greater than 0, then what conclusion you take? X equal to a is a point of local minimum. And what is the local minimum value? That is f of a. F of a is the local minimum value. It may happen f double dash a is equal to 0. कभी कभी second derivative vanish कर जाता है. If f double dash a is equal to 0, okay, we cannot take any conclusion. There is a chance that x equal to a is a point of inflection. But we can check point of inflection using second derivative criteria. But it will be easier for you come back to first derivative criteria for checking whether that is really a point of inflection or not. How to check? No change in sign. We already have done. Change in sign, plus to minus, local maximum, minus to plus, local minimum. No change in sign, then it is the point of inflection. So to confirm about point of inflection, what shall you do? You will use first derivative criteria. There are methods to use second derivative criteria, but not required for you. Okay, now let us take examples on the use of second derivative criteria, and we will use first derivative criteria where the function is not differentiable. That is, where the critical point is a point where f is not differentiable. Let me take the first example. fx is equal to 3 plus mod x. Very simple. You know fx is mod x. That is not differentiable at x equal to 0. So f is not differentiable at x equal to 0. Therefore, x equal to 0 is a critical point. Okay. Now, what is fx now? Let me write in explicit form. 3 plus x when x is greater than equal to 0 and 3 minus x when x is less than 0. Now, find 5 dash x. What we get? It is 1 for x greater than equal to 0 minus 1 for x greater than 0, not equal to. Minus 1 for x is less than 0 and does not exist for x equal to 0. Getting the idea? This is the sign scheme. Here it is 0 and after 0 it is plus, before 0 it is minus. F dash x you see. Here if x is more than 0, plus 1 plus a. X is less than 0, minus 1 minus a. 0 is the critical point. When I move from left to right through 0, I am getting the change in sign minus to plus. So f dash x changes its sign from negative to positive as x increases through 0. Therefore, x equal to 0 is a point of what? Local minimum. And local minimum value is f of 0, that is 3 plus mod of 0, it is 3. Getting the idea? Let us take sufficient number of examples to understand this maxima and minima. Okay? Now, this is a question. fx is 2x cube minus 6x square plus 6x plus 5. Okay? We will find all points of local maximum and local minimum. Points nikala. Acha. For local maximum minimum, what is my first work? Find the derivative. 6x square minus 12x plus 6. Is it 6 common? X square minus 2x plus 1. Okay. It is nothing but 6 into x minus 1 whole square. Okay. Equate that to 0. Get value of x. That is the critical point. X equal to 0 is a x equal to 1. ये 0 होने से x 1 है. Is a critical point. Let me get the second derivative. F double dash x. What it is? 12x minus 1. 12 into x minus 1. Now, f double dash 1 क्या है? F double dash 1 is 0. Second derivative becomes 0. Therefore, this may be a point of inflection. Now, we will check whether actually it is a point of inflection or not. Now, let us draw the sign scheme. For f dash x. Now, f dash x का साइन स्कीम देखते हैं. ओके, f dash x 0 करो, x 1 है. If I take a point number a more than 1 in f dash x, I shall put it is positive. Less than 1 positive. No change in sign. So x equal to 1 is a point of inflection. As f dash x does not change its sign, when x increases through 1, when x increases through 1, we have x equal to 1 is a point of inflection. Okay, now we shall take word problems on maxima and minima. You will get a 6-mark word problem in your board exam. Okay, now we will take many questions on these word problems particularly because वहीं से आएगा एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन आएगा. Okay, now let me take the example number 35 of your book. Okay, question is find the shortest distance from the point. Given point is, this is your example 35 of your book, page number 225. Try to understand. This was a board question earlier. Given point is A, सोच लो, it is a 0C. Okay, we will find the shortest distance of this point from the parabola. Okay, and equation of parabola given. What is it? Y equal to x square. Okay, ये पॉइंट से parabola का shortest distance निकालेंगे. Okay, now a point is known, तो I need a point in on this parabola. में parabola के ऊपर मुझे एक पॉइंट चाहिए जहाँ से डिस्टेंस निकालेंगे. Let P x coordinate of parabola I take x. What is y coordinate? Y is x square, तो x coordinates square. So x square is any point on the parabola. What I want to find? The shortest distance means AP का smallest value निकालेंगे. Getting the idea? Let AP. अच्छा, now what is AP? AP is under root x minus 0 whole square means x square plus x square minus c का whole square. Getting the idea? Okay, now this is the distance between A and P. Our AP should का minimum value निकालेंगे. Now remember, distance is always positive, है ना नहीं? So distance जब positive है, that distance is minimum when square of the distance is also minimum. Because here why I am interested in taking square, ये स्क्वायर रूट को डेरिवेटिव करने में तुम लोग को प्रॉब्लम आएगा. Therefore you may do mistake there. Therefore we use the concept of distance. Distance एक positive quantity है, तो if distance is minimum then its square is also minimum. Now let s equal to AP square. What is that? X square plus x square minus c का whole square. Now you write that line. AP is minimum implies and implied by AC is minimum. Okay. Now for minimum we use second derivative criteria, minimum or maximum. Okay. What is the second derivative criteria? First we shall find the critical points. What are critical points? They are the points where the first derivative vanishes or the function is not differentiable. Mark, this is a polynomial. It is always differentiable. तो not differentiable वाला point इसमें नहीं है. Now, what is ds by dx? First derivative. It is 2x plus x square minus c whole square. 2 into x square minus c into अंदर वाला का derivative 2x. I take 2x common. 1 plus 2x square minus 2c. Am I right? So I get ds by dx equal to 0 implies 2x into 2x square minus 2c plus 1 is 0. Okay, now this gives me x is 0 or x is or x 2x square is 2c minus 1. So x square is 2c minus 1 by 2. Am I right? Okay. Now, if x square is this, what is x? X is plus minus under root 2c minus 1 by 2. So these are the critical points. Therefore, x equal to 0, x equal to plus minus under root 2c minus 1 by 2 are the critical points. Critical point आ गया. Second derivative we will find. अच्छा. Before finding second derivative, इसको थोड़ा simplify कर दें. dy by dx is what? 2x plus 4x cube. Okay, देख लो. 2x को multiply कर दो. 4x cube minus 4cx minus 4cx. Now what is d2y by dx2? चेक करो क्या है. इट इज 2 आ गया प्लस 12x स्क्वायर माइनस 4c. एम आई राइट? नाउ अभी एक एक पुट करते हैं. पुट विद द क्रिटिकल पॉइंट एट x इक्वल टू 0. व्हाट इज माय सेकंड डेरिवेटिव? d2y बाय dx2 कितना आ रहा है? इक्वल टू 2 माइनस 2c. ओके, 2 minus 2c है. Am I right? So we have here 2 minus 2c. हमें क्या चाहिए? ये देखो, लोकल मिनिमम चाहिए. दिस इज ऑब्वियसली लेस देन 0. क्यों? एक कंडीशन बुक में दिया है. c 0 से 5 में आता है 0 to 5. So this is less than 0. So this is x equal to 0 is a point of local maximum. तो maximum हमको नहीं चाहिए. We don't need. We need local minimum. चलो next point लेते हैं. Now for x equal to plus minus under root 2c minus 1 by 2. Now d2y by dx2. What is its value? Check करते हैं. Here x is plus minus under root 2c minus 1 by 2. तो x square है मेरे हाथ में. तो what is x square? 2c minus 1 by 2 इसमें डालूंगा. So I get 2 plus 12 into 2c minus 1 by 2 minus 2c. You see? Minus 2c नहीं, minus 4c. Okay? It is minus 4c. It is not 2c. Okay? Minus 4c. चलो. What it is? 2. ये 6 से आ गया. Okay, 2 plus 12c minus 6 minus 4c. ये कितना आया? 12 से ये 4 8 8c. ओके, 8c minus what it is? 8c minus 4. Okay, obviously it is greater than 0. Why greater than 0? C is a number 0 to 5. Okay, 0 to 5 वो थोड़ा गलती दे दिया. ओके, क्वेश्चन में यहाँ 1 to 5 होना चाहिए. क्वेश्चन थोड़ा गड़बड़ है, तुम 1 to 5 करोगे. ओके, नाउ चलो. नाउ therefore second derivative is greater than 0. This implies x equal to plus minus root over 2c minus 1 by 2 is a point of local maximum. Maximum ना minimum? Minimum. Okay? Local minimum हो गया. तो we got therefore minimum distance or therefore S is minimum for x equal to plus minus root over 2c minus 1 by 2. We don't need the point. We need the minimum distance. That implies AP is minimum for x equal to plus minus root over 2c minus 1 by 2. Now, what is AP? Minimum value of AP is under root. Okay? अरे प्लस में मिनिमम है, माइनस में मिनिमम है. प्लस में जो है माइनस में वही है. मैं प्लस में निकाल दूं, नो प्रॉब्लम. अच्छा ठीक है. व्हाट इज एक्स स्क्वायर? तुम प्लस में लगाओ, माइनस, ये तो एक्स स्क्वायर ही है. सो वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर इट इज 2c माइनस 1 बाई 2 प्लस 2c माइनस 1 बाई 2 माइनस c का होल स्क्वायर. व्हाट इट इज? चेक करो. अंडर रूट 2c माइनस 1 बाई 2 ये हो गया प्लस 2c माइनस 1 बाई 2, ये 2c कटा, माइनस 1 बाय 2 रो स्क्वायर 1 बाय 4. तो व्हाट आई गॉट? एलसीएम इज 4. एलसीएम 4 है, स्क्वायर रूट 2 है, रूट ओवर इट इज 4c माइनस 2 प्लस 1. तो 4c minus 1. This is minimum distance. Getting the idea? Okay. In our next video, we take more examples.